How to add a thumbnail to YouTube Shorts. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application YouTube. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Tap on this plus icon at the bottom. Well, make sure you are in the section of Shorts. Now you can simply capture the video or upload it from your gallery. Let me head over to my gallery by tapping on this icon. Select the video that you want to upload it as a short on YouTube. And once you have selected, tap on Done at the bottom. Wait for a while for it to process. Now tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. Once again tap on Next at the bottom right corner. It will redirect you to this page. Now in order to add the thumbnail to this short, what you want to do is tap on this video. From here you need to swipe right and select the part of the video that you want to set it as a thumbnail. So let's say I want to set this part as my thumbnail. You need to set this icon right in the part of the video that you want to add it as a thumbnail. And then tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Well, the part of the video has been added as a thumbnail to your shorts. Now you can just add the caption and tap on Upload Shorts at the bottom, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to add thumbnail to YouTube Shorts. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.